Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the affiliate badge from your page on System.io. This is a handy feature for those who want a cleaner, more professional look on their sales funnels without the default branding. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to System.io. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all the tools System.io offers. Now look at the top toolbar and navigate to Sites, then from the drop-down menu select Sales Funnels. This will bring up all the funnels you've created within your account. Take a moment to locate the specific funnel where you want to remove the affiliate badge and click on it to open it up. Once you've selected your funnel, you'll notice a right panel appears with various options. In this panel, click on Edit Page. This action will take you into the page editor where you can make all sorts of customizations to your funnel's appearance and functionality. With the page editor now open, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here you'll find a button labeled Settings. Click on it to access the settings menu for this particular page. This is where you'll find the controls for various display and configuration options. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the checkbox that says Display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions. This is the option that controls whether the affiliate badge appears on your page or not. However, before you can make any changes here, there's an important step you need to complete first. To remove the affiliate badge, you'll need to upgrade your System.io account to a premium plan. The free version doesn't allow you to hide this badge as it's part of the platform's monetization model, so head over to your account settings and upgrade to one of the premium tiers. This unlock gives you more control over your funnel's branding and appearance. Once you've successfully upgraded your account, come back to this same settings menu. Now you'll be able to interact with that checkbox. Simply uncheck the Display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions checkbox. By doing this, you're telling System.io that you no longer want the badge to appear on your page. Finally, to make sure all these changes stick, click the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will apply your modifications and remove the affiliate badge from your funnel page. And there you have it, you've successfully removed the affiliate badge from your System.io page, giving your funnel a more polished and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.